those down. That's dangerous.
No, I mean, I've got a bag. I can
Bag
do
you
it
throw it
too.
in, that'll help, Joe. It will. Yeah, we're gonna have coffee quick here, boys.
Nice job.
Yes, you're quite right.
Let's take a little splash. Cream and sugar. Take a small little rock.
And you guys have a real good healthy scoop of fruit. We want all the fruit gone. We want everything gone this morning.
Sorry to say you lost your rice bag.
I don't care.
Coffee done, Pard?
One of the things I found funny,
Room, but you don't want to go back there.
Red clay. Digging in the red.
The weapon is still within the confines of this fine canvas.
It's my normal voice. First platoon, what is your problem? Do you have an issue this morning that needs to be taken care of?
So, Corporal, this is your musket after all?
Yes, this is my musket. I was demonstrating the proper way to retrieve your equipment first thing in the morning before coffee.
no wonder nobody claimed it.
It's not that heavy, but
So what we might call outhouses or something of that sort today, they were called sinks. So if you see sinks labeled on any sort of map of the 19th century, then it's toilets.
Hey, Pards, here's some Gaiety's medicated paper. First invented in 1857. You can see it's kind of Kleenex-like to our modern eyes, and this was toilet paper.
fill it in. Yeah, this is a terrific thing.
Much better than what I hear it was initially.
Yeah, I heard it described as a scrape. A linear scrape.
Someone's canteen laying right.
Remember, for that one, I need to do this way. You see? All right. Then, does that look around the right size?
Yeah, pretty.
Now bring that one this way. That should do that.